Hi, this is Sabine Rolnick, Dr. Real Estate, with a real estate market update. This market update will focus on the fourth quarter of 2020. You can see, although the pattern has been consistent since the markets opened up here in the Chicagoland area, we've had consistently more showings in 2020 than in 2019, all the way to the end of the year when they came together. Looking at new listings, focusing again on that fourth quarter, you can see the blue lines represent 2020, and we've had more new listings in the fourth quarter of 2020 than the fourth quarter of 2019. And of course, the pattern of the new listings going down over the fourth quarter is typical as the real estate market slows down every fourth quarter for the holidays. Also focusing on listings under contract, you can see the same pattern. There are more homes that go under contract in this fourth quarter of 2020 than went under contract in the fourth quarter of 2019. And again, you see the pattern slowing down over the course till the end of the year. And then focusing on the closed listings for that fourth quarter, many more closed listings. Again, the blue are 2020 and the green is 2019. You can see more closed listings throughout the end of the year for 2020 and 2019. Looking at the sold prices of homes in this fourth quarter, you can see consistently, whether looking at the median of the home price, which is in the blue for 2020 and the green for 2019, or looking at the average sold price, looking at the orange and the yellow, you can see that the prices for 2020 have been consistently higher than the prices for 2019 in this fourth quarter. Focusing on the Downers Grove market, this is focusing also on single-family homes. You can see the normal consistent pattern of the number of new listings under contract and close going down over the course of the months from October to December. But if you compare it to 2019, you can see many more homes that were listed or went under contract or closed in this fourth quarter of 2020 versus the fourth quarter of 2019. And then you also see the same pattern for the median sales price or the average sales price from 2019 to 2020 for Downers Grove. Prices went up over this from the fourth quarter of 2019 to the fourth quarter of 2020 when comparing them. And if you compare 2020 overall to 2019, you can see there were 607 homes that closed in Downers Grove in 2019 versus the 774 homes that were sold in 2020. And you also see increases in the median sales price from 2019 to 2020, as well as the average sales price. So overall, 2020, despite there being a pandemic, was a year where real estate prices increased, where there was much more market activity, and many more homes were sold. If you have any questions, please feel free to call, text, or email me. Again, this is Sabine Rolnick, Dr. Real Estate, and this doctor makes house calls.